Hello everyone, this is Lucy, and for this video I will show you how to delete photos and videos from a WhatsApp. So open your WhatsApp. So as you can see, I have this one particular photo that I sent to one contact. I want to delete this, or if I just want to delete a whole bunch of photos in this chat, then you will need to click on every pictures you have and delete it separately. And if you want to delete all of those media, then you just need to click on this three dots at the top right corner and click on settings. Here you will see the storage and data option. Click on that, and at the top you will see manage storage. So here, go to the contact you want to delete the media off and click on select all and delete it. And as you can see, the data storage of this contact has been cleared. And that's all you need to do in order to delete photos and videos from WhatsApp Gallery. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.